Welcome back, everybody, to the channel. And so I wanted to touch base more with the whole Pixel 7a and Pixel 7 debacle. I mean, there's just so much videos talking about these two phones. And why these two phones particularly? Well, because they are very similarly spec'd with a slightly marginal price difference. Difference of $100 if you're looking at it full price for the 7, full price for the 7a. Right, $599 for the 7, $499 for the 7a. Some people are questioning its existence. Why is this phone even here? Well, let me answer that really quickly. Google puts out a flagship device. It puts out a pro model flagship. It puts out a mid-ranger, right? The 7a is going to be the mid-ranger. It's very similarly spec'd to the Pixel 7, which has a lot of people thinking that the Pixel 8 is definitely going to be something much bigger, not in size, but in its offerings, because the 7a dropped a few months before the Pixel 8 is to be released. Now, when you kind of think about it, I'm a logical thinker, so I'm going to hammer this out. But go with what you feel is within your budget, right? You can find a Pixel 7a on sale. You can find it on sale from various different places. You might find it for $449. You might find it for $499. Some people have reported $349. I'd like to know where that is. Because that would be awesome to get another Pixel 7, but then I'm also holding out for the Pixel 8. It's not going to be a huge problem for you if you go with a Pixel 7 and you don't get the Pixel 7a, because the 7a is a mid-range device that is entire purpose is to give you the exact experience what you would get from a Pixel 7 at a much affordable price. Now, $100 difference is $100 difference. You know how many freaking, salads you can buy from Salad and Go on $100? Just saying. You know what I mean? You could buy like cases of green tea if that's your preferred beverage choice. But you can save $100 and go with the 7a that gives you all the same experiences that you will get from the Pixel 7, minus a few areas that they cut corners in, right? If you're someone who cares about how the phone feels and this matters to you, you want glass, well, then you better get the 7, because the 7a is plastic. Although, to a lot of my friends who got the 7a are letting people know it feels like glass. And that's Google. Google's always done that from the Pixel 3a that felt almost identical to the Pixel 3, but, was polycarbonate. They've always tried to make the A series feel hardware-wise and software experience the same as its flagship brother. It's always been that. That's what makes the A series from Google Pixel so great. All right. So really it just boils down to what you're willing to spend. What do you exactly want? Do you have to have a premium filling phone so you can have this great status? Then go get the 7. If you want to save a buck or two, go get the 7a. There's not really going to be a giant difference between them. Photography, from what my friends are posting, comparing the 6a to the 7a, there's not much of a difference there as far as how it looks. If you go to the nitty gritty and you zoom in and all that stuff, you may find differences there. But at the end of the day, they take pretty good photos. Like, Pixels are king of photos, right? iPhones is king of videography. It's the way it is. Just calling it as I see it. The most interesting thing that I've noticed is that Pixel, well, let's just call them what they are, Team Pixel, YouTube content creators have not gotten the 7a, right? They've gone out and bought it out of pocket themselves. And maybe that's Google kind of testing to see, like, hey, are these guys really all about the Google Pixel? Do they really like it? So let's not send them a free one this year and see if they go out of their way to buy it out of pocket. And then see who buys it out of pocket, who actually keeps it, or who just reviews it and then sells it or returns it. So I don't know, that could be it. That could be the reason why that Team Pixel didn't get it this year. I don't think that everyone that was in Team Pixel is completely cut off. That would be like the dumbest thing for Google to do, is to completely stop, because you got the Pixel tablet, you got, the Pixel 8, the 8 Pro, you got the Pixel Fold coming, which makes me also think too, maybe the reason why Team Pixel guys didn't get the Pixel 7a is because maybe there's going to be a care package box that includes the Pixel 7a, includes the Pixel tablet, and the Pixel Fold. And you open this giant box, because when it comes to Team Pixel guys and gals, they get these really cool packages, right? Last year, the 7 and 7 Pro and the Pixel Watch came in a black box with a mirror, right? There's times where they had like a box that had pop-up graphics and stuff. So maybe that's why the 7A didn't reach the hands of Team Pixel members, is because maybe they're going to lump it all in one care package bundle given to Team Pixel this summer when the Pixel Fold and the Pixel Tablet comes out. Those are the two things I can think of why Team Pixel members didn't get the Pixel 7a on day of launch, why it wasn't sent to them for review. I know the big YouTubers like MKBHD and iJustine and all them got Pixel 7a's, and they probably went out and bought them. Maybe not Marquez, because Marquez is like their go-to guy, so they're going to send him stuff for him to review. Blah, leave me alone. But I think that's why. I honestly think it's the second reason why Team Pixel members didn't get it, because I would love to think that my friends that are in Team Pixel officially are going to be getting the tablet, the Fold, and the 7a as one care package bundle. I would love to see the unboxing experience and the reviews that they're going to put out and what they're going to say about these devices. I would love to get one myself too. Of course I do. I'm a big Pixel fan, but I'm not going to spend my time campaigning it. There is one person that goes hard on that. Shout out to Technoid, because he always goes hard on that. You bring up Pixel, and somewhere in the conversation, he's going to bring up hashtag Tito for Team Pixel, which I genuinely always appreciate that. I appreciate Sneed also for recommending me, because he did on Twitter, if you guys didn't catch that. I appreciate that. I appreciate BTech Reviews for recommending me. I appreciate Tony Pazzo. These guys have recommended. And even though it never happened, it doesn't go unnoticed. So thank you guys so much for your unwavering support. These bugs are bugging the hell out of me. So this is all that I got. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, you guys know what to do. Smash the like button. Thanks for checking it out. Come back for the next video. I'll be releasing these little by little, even though I'm recording them all on the same day. But hey, you know, it is what it is. And y'all know what you can do. My tech.